Yo, we should be active. How's everybody doing this morning? Good morning. Good morning, everybody. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, man. Guys, what are we looking at today? How's everybody's morning? It's a great day to be a trader, isn't it? About to take out all-time highs. It's a great day to be a trader in this bullish market. Whew. Isaac. Isaac Smith, you were the first person here. Yo, bro, morning, Syed. Good morning, Syed. AG Trades NQ. Hey, bro. What's going on, bro? I passed 4 of my Lucid Flex yesterday and I set my daily loss limit to 250 per day. Hey, man, you're going to get a payout. That's how you do it. That's tough, bro. It sure is. Yo, fam, what's good? What's good, Bandy? Yo, yo, yo. Let's get this shit rolling. What am I looking at today? Let's see if ES took out that high. Sure did. We're right next to all-time highs. We're in a bullish market. Oh, let me let my Instagram know I'm on stream. Y'all say cheese. I'm about to take a picture of you. Cheese. We're live. Oh, man. Dude, I slept a little tricky last night. Live and active, boys. Boom. Bro, how delayed am I? I can't be that delayed, can I? Okay. What am I looking for on ES? Delete this. Delete this. We have this hourly gap here. That price could definitely potentially come down towards. About 10 seconds. I was trying to get it. I was trying to get my latency down a little bit. So I know for the next stream now. I'll delay 10 seconds. All right. Would you look at that? This 1 hour gap aligns beautifully with some equal lows right above Asia session high. Do I have to say any more? While leaving this liquidity untouched. Do I need to say any more? Let's get a sweep of these equal lows and then continue higher. Let's look at gold. Oh, should look at that on gold. I haven't even gone to the 1 hour time frame yet and I'm already seeing it. Okay, let's clear this out. Looks like a bunch of junk. Gold is bullish, guys, if you didn't know. Gold is bullish. Why? Because this was a liquidity sweep with the break of structure and we just came and we took out that sweep. So what happens every time price takes out a high? We either reverse or retrace. I think this is retracement. I do think we might come a little bit lower to take out these relative equal lows and then continue higher. But that's not up to me to decide. That's up to the market. And we have all these untapped FEGs above us. I think gold is bullish, but when will it flip bullish? That's a little bit iffy and tricky. Let's see though. Let's still have these marked up. Let's see what that aligns with. Boom. Would you look at that? It aligns perfectly with Asia's session high. Yo, what's good, Leonard? Man, I kind of slept late last night. Damn, we're at 26 viewers already. If we hit 50 viewers, I'm going to give away a funded account. Oh, man, Q is dumping. Yes. What's my plan for today? I'm bullish on ES and NQ, but I need to see some type of liquidity swept first on both of them. ES, look at where ES reacted from London session high and then it's dumping. I low-key don't want it to react from here. I kind of want it to come take out these lows instead. But we'll see. I just woke up. There's no way I'm predicting the market like that yet. You need to get into a groove. SMT at the highs with NQ and ES. That could be dangerous. Where are we though in the market? Okay, ES is taking out that high. Okay. In rare scenarios, I might need to look at the higher time frame. Okay. I think we come down to mitigate this 4 hour. That's the only thing that makes sense. Let me see NQ. Yeah. SMT at these highs with ES. SMT here versus SMT here. Unmitigated 4 hour below us. So on a higher time frame narrative, this bounce might not happen here. It might go lower. Let's mark out that 4 hour. Why? Because we swept liquidity up here and then we know price can either reverse or retrace. And it's creating an SMT with, yo, what's going on, Richmond Roberts? Let's go. It's creating an SMT with ES at these highs, even though we are extremely bullish, I am expecting some type of retracement. How big of a retracement? Well, we don't know. Same with gold. I'm expecting some type of retracement. What is an SMT? An SMT is when a correlating asset like ES and NQ, you're both supposed to be trading very similar, putting in the same highs and lows. But if you look on NQ, NQ put in a higher high. This high is higher than this high. But if you look on ES, ES put in a lower low. You have to take account of that. And obviously, SMTs, fair value gaps, order blocks, IFVGs, all that stuff works better on the higher time frame. Yeah, see? This low got ransacked. It makes sense. So because of this massive SMT, I need to see some type of deep retracement before I take longs. Maybe a test into this 4 hour gap. I want to be careful and I want to see. Yeah. And then gold. What was my analysis on gold again? Oh, damn. My analysis on gold is for it to come all the way down here. I'm begging you. Guys, we're being patient. Market literally, what time is it? 7:24. No news today. So I'm just gonna wait. Boom, that's that level. I low-key think it's gonna get ran through. Once it starts reacting here or here, then I will start looking to maybe see. Low-key, the only valid one is this low right here. This is the low that created the SMT, so it'll at least take that based on my analysis. So I'm not looking along from this low here. How do I look up the news? I just use Forex Factory. It's not even that effective anymore because Trump tweets are more dangerous than red folder news. So you never even know. Oh, what does an SMT tell us? An SMT tells us that there's just a divergence in the market. So it's like if you have a bullish SMT, price would put in two different types of lows on both pairs. If you have a bearish SMT, it'll put in two different types of highs. So this is a bearish SMT here where we put in a higher high, but on ES we put in a lower high, and then that signifies weakness. And if you can tell, ES looks a lot weaker in price than NQ. So usually when you're getting an SMT, you want to always take, like if you wanted to take a short position, I would usually take the short position on the pair that put in the lower high. Yo, what's going on, cool Gerda? Guys, we're just waiting. We have colors on our screen. I'm not gonna long this here. It's not good enough for me. I look, you want this low gone. You're welcome. Good stuff, AG Trades. Good stuff. Good stuff, man. Guys, we're at 30 concurrent viewers. If we get to 50, I'll give away a funded account. No joke. Share the stream. Like the stream. And I bet you, AG Trades and Q, what were you doing? Were you doing one trade a day? I bet you were doing one trade a day. You were doing good risk. I bet you were staying disciplined. So don't forget that when you're in the funded stage. I look at gold and NQ. I look at everything. Request payout whenever you can. I don't believe in building buffers till you've gotten the first payout. Once you've made your money back, then you worry about buffers. Yeah, one trade a day will really keep the 9 to 5 away. That stuff is the truth, man. That's something I learned the hard way. Y'all get to learn that through comedy and skits that I put out or funny videos that I put out. I learned that through blowing money. Man, I am freaking tired. Probably shouldn't even be trading like this. Whew. Mm, yeah, I don't trust it. If this wins, that's good, but I don't trust these longs. I could easily reject from here. That means to be safe, you have to wait till up here gets inverse, and then that's so high, like any retracement would kill you. Nah, it's not good. The time in Houston, it's 7:30 a.m. 7:30 a.m. Hey, that's what's up, man. Hey, Daniel, I'm looking forward to having that call on Thursday. Have a good day, bro. You too, man. I took 2 trades per day. One trade in New York, the second in gold, irrespective of the prospective trade result, and my NQ trade is between 9:30 to 10:30. I can guarantee you if you reduce it down to one trade a day, you do a lot better. But I don't want to tell people how to trade unless they're my students. I'm a one trade a day warrior, bro. Like, if I randomly press sell right now and it loses, I would hop off the chart. I kind of want these lows here to be taken. Maybe we can get some type of continuation model. This is how a continuation model would work. Why? Because I am bullish on NASDAQ and ES, but I'm only bullish on them after they swept out these lows down here. So till then, we're still respecting this hourly SMT. Like, look at it go. It's coming for these lows. Yeah, just be careful. Don't be in such a rush to take a trade. Just be bored. I'm bored right now. Watch candles print. Guys, I can create highlight videos on my stream. What's my take on gold right now? I need gold to come down a bit. I need gold to come down. I want this gone. I don't like that. So that's really what I'm waiting for on gold. I want this gone. I don't like it at all. Let's look at silver. Oh, yeah. Based on silver's price action, it's not going back down there. Yeah, look at silver. Manipulated lower. Yeah, silver's trending upward. Gold will follow. Okay, let's do another analysis on gold. We can use this price leg right here then. High, low, higher high, sweep of lower low. What do we inverse this? We can now start trading higher. What's happened here? High, low, higher high, lower low, break of structure. So technically this low should be protected. What happened here? High, low, higher high, lower low, higher high, break of structure, came sweep of liquidity. So this low should be protected. Because that low should be protected, What can we estimate? Maybe something like this to continue going higher. But guys, I'm not gonna take any of those trades, even though I read price action and it works out to a T. All right, Leonardo, I appreciate you stopping by. Even though I called this out and it works out to a T, I'm not gonna take it because it's not the special liquidity model. But I can maybe expect something like either this or this low here to continue higher. Well, let's look at NQ. NQ is it could work. Whoa, 35 viewers. Okay, now we're amping up. Just watching candles paint. Can gold come lower? Nah, it won't. Come on, NASDAQ. I know you want this low. I'm looking for some type of entry, maybe. I'll take an early entry. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go manipulate some people. Yeah, let's get 50 viewers, bro. Come on. We do 50 viewers. What I'll do is I'll give out a pop quiz. Whoever answers it first and correctly will get a funded account once we get to 50 viewers. Should I make it a bit more challenging? 50 viewers and we hold? 50 viewers for 5 minutes? Is that doable? Like the stream, y'all. 38 viewers. Come on, we're almost there. 38 viewers. Once we get to 50, y'all can get a chance to win a free Apex Trader funding account. I am a man of my word. Tell your friends to join. You're probably you're gonna blow their accounts anyways. Tell them to join so I can show them how to do it properly. Oh, man. Hope washing? I don't know what that means. Whoa, 42 viewers. Oh, y'all are serious. All right. All right. I'll do it. I'll give y'all a funded account. Let's get there. Bet. I think gold might end up giving us a setup before NQ. I deserve more subscribers. Yeah, man, but I know all this stuff takes time. I'm very patient. You see, trading taught me that. Like, there was a time in one of my comment section, somebody told me that I bought my Instagram followers. And then I was like, he wasn't here for them car videos. I did not buy my Instagram followers. I woke up every single day. I posted 3 times a day. Um, with my YouTube subscribers, I post every week, and now I've started live streaming every day. It's like I deserve more subscribers, sure. I deserve more followers, sure, but I'm gonna get there. There's no rush. Some people will like me, some people won't. And that's just how it works. Just like how some trades will win and some trades will lose. And that's just how it works. Bro, I remember that. People thought I had a high pitched voice for real. I said, bro, what? NQ's going lower? Yeah, it is. NQ is gonna go lower. Thanks, Sean. That's good. Come on, 42 viewers. We were right there. Who's leaving? Y'all don't want a funded account? Oh, shit. There we go, NQ. That's the flush. You know what would be so good right now? If NQ just stops right here, goes up, inverses. I'll take that short. This would be like a great setup. But the moment this low here gets taken, I'm not looking for shorts anymore. So we're waiting for Enki to show us its hand. Yeah. I knew we wouldn't bounce from here. It's too soon. Coming off an hourly SMT, we're not gonna bounce from here. We're gonna come down to sweep some stuff. What low is this? I wonder what low that is. Ding, 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 London session low. Would you look at that? There we go, NQ. Go up, put in a fair value gap, sweep out these highs. Displace lower, I'll take a short. My followers are real? Yeah, they are. Oh, did you guys know that when I was transitioning from the car videos to like regular videos with my regular voice, I lost about 5,000 followers? I'm sure they probably ended up following back because they saw my content again. But I lost about 5,000 followers doing that. It was it was a little ridiculous. I was like, God damn, they love the car videos that much. But if y'all have noticed on my Instagram, I started doing something a little bit similar. I started doing something a little bit similar. Yeah, I lost 5,000. Ooh, 46 viewers, y'all. Hey, hey, I'm a man of my word. I promise I am. I'll give y'all the funded account. Seriously, no talk, no joke. I need to figure out what pop question I'm gonna ask you. Um, I want to give it to a very loyal follower. So I need a question only a loyal follower would know. 48 viewers. Yep, we're gonna hit it. I need a question only a loyal follower would know. Hmm. I think I got one. Actually, I don't want to ask that question. What can I ask? Only a loyal follower would know. I got one. And this one's pretty easy too. Once we hit 50, once we hit 50, once we hit 50 concurrent viewers, we're at 48 right now. Once we hit 50 concurrent viewers, oh, we just dipped down to 43. They don't want it. That's tough. Gold took out London high. That's great. I'm not shorting that though. Look at this high, low, higher, high, lower, low. Boom. We look for a continuation model. Ah, they don't like the concept of one trade a day. That's why they're unprofitable though. My goal is not really to get followers. My goal is to um, post good trading content that actually works. I'm not gonna. I just can't sell my soul like that. I'm just gonna tell you all the truth. You take more than one trade a day, you're giving yourself more chances to lose. That's just the honest truth. You like it or you don't like it. A lot of my videos, a lot of people don't like them, but I'm just saying the truth. If you're trading with $100 in your bank account, you're giving yourself more emotional conflict to lose. It's the truth. Yeah. Watch, we're going to sit on stream. We're going to wait. You're going to see me take one trade. You're going to see it win or you're going to see it lose. And you're going to see me end the stream. Because that stuff's the truth. Can't have it any other way. Okay, what's NQ doing now? There we go. It's bouncing. Yeah, it is. I want to see it come sweep out some of this, leave behind a 3-minute, and then inverse. That would be so dope. What's ES do? Has ES taken a low? No, ES hasn't. Oh, this is good. No, go up just a couple inches. This is really good. Oh, 46 viewers again. This is really good. I want this FEG left behind. Boom. There's our tap with our liquidity sweep. Yeah, it's rejecting pretty hard. But we have so much trend line liquidity, it's not even funny. Slow down and ES. Slow down, girl. I want this FEG to remain open so you can inverse it. Slow down, girl. We have 48 viewers. Slow down. Come on, don't do that. Oh no. Oh my God. What the fuck? God damn it. Yes. Yeah. Guys, I know that's gonna. Oh, 52 viewers. Oh, fuck me. I thought we were about to get an entry. I was looking at the continuation model, sweep of liquidity, tap our Asia session level, and then take it all the way down to these London lows right here. That's what I was looking at. 52 viewers. Are you guys ready for the question? Are you guys ready to win a free funded account? Oh my God, bro. This short, bro, fuck. Oh my goodness. This short is going to play out. 55 viewers. Holy shit. Can we hit 100? Okay, question. How much money did Daetradez lose of his college money when learning how to trade? First person to say gets a funded account. First person, I'm watching in the chat. Nope. 50,000. Captain Trades ES. Thank you. Damn, Noah. He beat you. Damn, he beat you. It was 50,000. Captain Trading ES. Let's go. Hit me up on Instagram. Tell me that you won a funded account. Noah, he beat you by like 1 second, man. Captain Trade ES. Hit me up on Instagram. Let me know you won a funded account. Colby, I know you do, but I gotta keep it fair, man. Tomorrow, if we hit, because we hit 50 today, so we have to always aim for more. Tomorrow, if we hit 75 viewers, I'll have another pop quiz. Nah, bro, I'm looking in the chat right now. The first person who said it was Captain Trading ES. Bro read my mind for real. And we hit 50 viewers. This is the highest it's ever been on stream. So tomorrow, if we hit 75 viewers, I'll give away another funded account. The trade I was looking for in ES, the short trade, it didn't give me a fair FEG, so there's no setup. And now it's printing higher a bit, so we need to watch careful for that. I'm not gonna long this, by the way. I want these lows gone, so I'm not gonna long this. I'm looking to actually short. Let's draw our dandy fib tool. Boom, we are at the 50%. We could easily short right now. There's just no FEG. Where's the 0.75%? 0.618 is up here. There is another chance. We could get an FVG that closes above this. Everybody starts longing, and then we displace back down to the downside. That'll cook. I'm finna make you study my whole life at this point. It's the only way I know to give back to people who actually like fuck with me versus people who are on stream to just signal bot. Please, what is NQ? Do you mean what is NQ doing, or do you actually want to know what NQ is? Wow, 57 viewers. Holy shit. Yeah, I lost $50,000, man. Student loans. Okay, gold is a little promising in the sense that okay. Where could gold go? Okay, okay, okay. Gold's not that bad. We can get a similar setup to what we took yesterday on gold. Let me look at silver. Yeah, silver is running. Silver is running. You want to know what it is. NASDAQ is, what is it, the top 100 tech stocks in America. And the S&P 500 is the top 500 companies in America. So the NASDAQ is a combination of all those stocks, and it's pretty much like an index of how the US economy is doing, which in my opinion is fugazi. It's all a lie, but that's another different story because right now I think the economy is doing horrible, but if you look at NASDAQ, we're like almost at all-time highs. So it's like how, but that's because Trump is pumping the economy full of stuff. But yeah, the NASDAQ is just the top 100 stocks, top 100 tech stocks that I trade, that we trade, and then the S&P 500 is the top 500 stocks in the US economy. So the top 100 stocks in NASDAQ is also in the S&P 500, and they hold majority of the percentage of the S&P 500. So that's why the S&P 500 and NASDAQ should usually always be correlating. So when they aren't correlating, we call that an SMT, and there's some type of divergence in the market because they technically should be moving together. Guys, that ES trade is going to short. And I'm so upset because I literally can't catch it. No IFVG anywhere. Okay. This is gold right now. It's coming down to sweep something. And I like it if it does. There's some type of FEG here. I think we're getting a trade set up on gold soon. We're getting a trade set up on gold soon. Yeah, gold is gonna go up. That's why I'm waiting to get this sweep here. And I think we're gonna get a trade set up really, really soon on gold. If we can get a sweep of these lows. Let me look on the 15-minute time frame. Yep, and that's into this 15-minute FEG. Come on, gold. And now what could we target? All right, let's see what we get. Like, bro, I knew this ES trade was gonna play out, bro. I hate when the market does that. I wanted this, I wanted an FEG literally right here. Then we would be in this short right now. Where would 1-to-1 be? 1-to-1 would literally be once we take out these lows, which we're gonna do. Like we're gonna do. I don't trade 1 minute. I didn't even look at it to check. I don't trade the 1 minute. I just won't do it. It's like I'm looking at gold now. We don't trade 1 minute over here. Captain ES, make sure you text me because I don't know your gram. You already did? Okay, what's your Instagram name? Yo, bet. I see you, bro. Let's go. I'm gonna pin you so I don't forget. Bet. I got you locked in. I got you locked in, brother. Hey, if we hit 75 concurrent viewers in this stream again, I'll give away another one. We're at 58. It's only gonna go up from here. Tomorrow, if we hit 75 today, tomorrow it'll be 100. You know, we always gotta aim for more. This is how you set goals, guys. This is how you set goals. Okay, let's see what gold gives us. It's looking like the setup, the play might be on gold today. And I am trading Apex accounts. And remember, you can still trade gold on Apex. You can still trade gold on Apex. Let's see if we can get a continuation model. This is gonna keep dumping. It shouldn't. Once we fill this gap, it really shouldn't. Because what is this? Sweet. Break of structure against London highs. Yeah. Inverse fair value gap on the 1 hour right here. I say we bounce, baby. Yeah. I say we absolutely bounce. There's this eensy tiny 5-minute fair value gap. But it's so small. I want us to create a new one. If we can print some type of doji candle and create a new one, and then it inverses it, that's the long I'll take on gold. But if gold keeps dumping like this, then we're done looking at that. I want gold to come take out these highs and potentially go higher. There's no reason to go back down here. This low swept this low. Why would we need, like, I don't see why we need to sweep out this low again. I don't see, this low should be protected here. Okay, now let's draw a fib. Are we in discount? Ah, we're not. What you gonna do, Day? What you gonna do? I still like the setup. Okay, what's everything bad about the setup versus everything good about the setup? The only thing bad about the setup is that we're not in discount. But what's good about the setup is we have a higher time frame liquidity sweep with a break of structure. Bullish we have a bullish narrative that price could potentially go above us. We have a sweep of a low with potential IFVG above London session high. So the session liquidity model set up. Unless gold wants to come quickly tap the zero point 0.5 and then reject, then the setup will become A plus. And it almost did. It almost did right now. If gold can quickly come tap the zero point 0.5 and then reject, the setup will become like A plus. That's the only thing I don't like about this setup right now, is that we're not trading in discount. Come on, gold. Low key, I would still take it though. There's no reason to, there's no, like this sweep here protected this low. We put in a break of structure. This low is protected because we swept here. So if this starts dumping, that literally means we're shorting to come take out all of this and we could potentially go a lot lower. And I low-key don't want gold to go lower. Why? Because we are in an hourly IFEG. But who knows? We'll see. That ES trade probably won, didn't it? Yeah, I did. Your 1-to-1 would have just gotten hit. It did win. That sucks. Yeah, I did. I was looking to short that. We just didn't get an IFEG. Wow, that's a deep retracement from gold right there. Okay, we're definitely in discount now. So if gold rejects, that's good. If it doesn't, then I'm not looking at it anymore. NQ. How do you look, baby girl? What if gold in versus the 15-minute? Wow. That looks a lot like AMD to me. Yeah. Holy shit, that looks a lot like AMD to me. It just doesn't align with my bias though. If anything, I'll just skip the trade. But once this low starts getting taken, gold is gonna dump. This is a protected low. This low shouldn't be taken. What time is it? It's 8:10. So I have to wait till 8:30. Oh, come on. I don't want today to be a no trade day. I look, you want to place a trade today. Not that I'll force something. I'm not gonna force something, but I do want to place a trade today. We've swept out this low. This is a valid sweep out. Sweep. Look, it'll be better if we take out this one. What about ES? Well, ES is still respecting this freaking trend line. Like, what is going on? No. I low-key don't want this to get inversed. We're now trading in the 0.618 level. This can definitely short. Long. Come on, gold. What are we doing? You're confusing me. Come on, while NASDAQ edged these highs, nah, man, we're longing. I think we long. I think gold longs, for real. NASDAQ. What's NASDAQ doing? Yeah, right from the low I predicted. 3-minute IFEG. It's right, guys. It's right by market open in 15 minutes. You just can't, like, the only pair you can trade that's close to market open is gold. NASDAQ, it's just no. It'll manipulate you so hard. It's not even funny. It could work, but you have to understand you're gambling market open. You're gambling market open. Guys, it's okay. Let's stay patient. We see setups. We want to take it. It's like, okay, but you take this, right? And then the market just does this. Market open. Boom. And it'll do that. Some shit like that. Or it could just do this. It closes. And then market open. It just rips. And you're going to be excited that you won. But then tomorrow, you're going to take that trade again. And you're going to get cooked. But it does look good. I'll be completely honest. Trendline liquidity as well. Like it does look good. I'm just not going to gamble on market open. It is at a London low. I understand that. But I'm not gambling market open, guys. I ain't going to do that with y'all. Market opens literally in 15 minutes. That stuff could chop around and just wait till market opens and then manipulate you before going to where it needs to go. Guys, I'm telling you all this through trial and error, man. You know how many trades I've lost during market open? It's winning right now, so you're excited. Some people just got into this trade. Some people just got in. Let's see. Let's see if it pays y'all. Wow, the 15-minute on gold inversed. Wow. Yeah, trade could definitely work. Curious to see what market open does, though. I'm curious to see what market open does. Play might be on NQ. Yeah, gold inverse to 15-minute. That trade definitely could work. But I wasn't planning on shorting gold. Like, it didn't sweep anything for me besides London highs. So it still can work, but I just don't like it. Y'all can take it if y'all want. But I'm here to snipe. I'm here to find a good setup. You see, how many setups have we seen? We've seen like 2 setups. I've skipped both of them. Once you decide to skip a setup, I don't care if it wins or loses. I've decided to skip it. Gold can dump to all-time lows. I missed it. I'll journal it, and then I'll come back the next day and see if it was a good setup or not. This trade on NASDAQ, pre-market, before market opens, I'm skipping it. Even though I'm extremely bullish right now, the timing is just not correct. I'm skipping it. You go. Market open. Guys, I know. I know. I know gold inverse the 15-minute. It's not a bad setup. Anybody take it? I just didn't take it. And Q, on the other hand, you look kind of juicy. We need to wait, though. We need to wait almost 10 minutes. Let's see if this NQ trade will win before. I'm not taking this to market opens, but your 1-to-1 is pretty much this high. So you want this high taken before market opens, or you have to close. This is the trade. Yeah, SMT on the higher time frame with ES. This NQ trade looks so good. I really hope market open just comes down, re-sweeps again before trading higher. Then I'll really take it. I'll really take it. Oh no. NQ, don't punish me for staying disciplined. Is that gold trade winning? I'm starting to reject a little bit. NQ, don't punish me for staying patient. 5-minute IFEG here as well. This is a beautiful trade by NQ. The only thing is market open. This is such an A+ setup. This is really an A+ setup. When I miss a planned trade, yeah, like the ES trade here, this little scalp short, I just missed it. Nah, I just move on. Look at this trade on gold. I'm missing it right now. I just move on. Well, this trade wasn't planned, which is why I skipped it. It's like this is just a sweep of London highs and IFEG on the 15-minute time frame, which holds more power. A 15-minute IFEG holds a lot more power, but it's like once this low gets taken, it's gonna flood. But it's like I wasn't expecting it. It wasn't part of my analysis or plan. So I'm not gonna FOMO into it, but I'm just not gonna take it. I'm just like, oh, okay, that's nice. I'll go reevaluate after I get off stream or tomorrow. I'm like, why? How did I miss this? But I'm looking at it right now. I still don't see why it's shorting. Like now it looks like accumulation, manipulation, distribute lower. Maybe to take out this relative equal. No, this trend line liquidity over here, but it should have shorted in this hourly gap instead of closing above it. So it doesn't make sense to me. This doesn't make sense to me. You see what I'm talking about? It's gonna stall. It's gonna hesitate, and it's just gonna make you wait for market open anyways. And then it might manipulate you and then go. That's just how NQ works. Like, I'm gonna make you wait anyways. Yeah, this was the trade of the day on gold. I missed it. Sucks. Let me see if my Discord caught it. Oh, I think that was a London session trade. Yeah, if that happens, it's really an A plus setup. If NQ comes, manipulates, and sweeps again and starts trading lower, I'm looking to take that. Starts trading higher, I'm looking to take that. That's an A plus setup. You had an hourly inverse, but we swept liquidity, so it doesn't matter anymore. It would be a lot if manipulation can come sweep out these lows. That would be so much better too. Trendline liquidity is holding on ES. Wow. Let's see what gold is doing still. Gold is rejecting beautifully. I was like, there's no way we're bearish, bro. There's no way we're bearish, man. You just wanted to tap this hourly gap, didn't you? You haven't even tapped it yet. Let's see XEU USD. Haven't tapped it. GC. Haven't tapped it. Four-hour FEG got filled on gold. Yeah, but there's one above it. Shit doesn't matter. There's one above it. If we're looking at the higher time frame trend line liquidity too. Like, this is not a sweep to reverse. This is just a sweep to retrace. That's all this is. Like, we're bullish. Gold is still bullish. This isn't a sweep to reverse. A sweep to reverse is like, you can tell when it's a sweep to reverse versus a sweep to retrace. Look at that. I told you, if you took that trade early because you couldn't wait till market open, look, you're back at break even. Like, it's right. It's just gonna wait for market open anyways. So now when market opens, now you're literally gambling. Is it gonna just rip to your TP or is it gonna rip to stop loss? Or you can just wait till market open. Nothing. Gold is gone. You missed it. Unless you're looking for a reversal play. There's no nice entry. You missed it. 15-minute BPR is unmitigated. Oh, here? Yeah, but we swept out a low. We swept out a low. And we're about to tap into an hourly fair value gap. We could easily bounce from here. I wouldn't short in this. I would long if it inverses, but I wouldn't even attempt to short in that. Has market opened? 3 minutes. I really think this is gonna come stop all y'all out. Oh no, I really think it will. That's what 9:30 manipulation always does. Have my tools ready so when it's time to start trading. I really think we're coming for a stop out in 1 minute. Come on, gold. I need you to fill this 1 hour. I really need you to come a little lower and fill this 1 hour, please. Let's look at silver. Guys, look, silver's still holding bullish frame. Come on, bro. I don't think I don't think gold is really gonna short. This is just manipulation on the 1 hour. Oh, I use gold and silver for to find correlations and stuff. Stop out incoming. Yeah, you're about to get stopped out. Let's see. Let's see. I told y'all. Let's see. Y'all just don't listen. But Dae, you see the 3-minute IFEG? Y'all just don't listen. Y'all just don't listen. Dae, you see the 3-minute IFEG, man? What happened to your 3-minute IFEG? Where is it? Let me know. NQ is holding. Okay. ES is holding. Come on, gold. NQ, you were right next to this. Oh man. I want Asia lows to get taken. We're right there, NASDAQ. Come on, go take it. We're so close to it. It doesn't make sense to not take it. Or is it protected? No, it's not protected at all. Go take that shit. Come on, take it. Come on, take it, NQ. Take it. Take it. Take it first. I want this taken first. If this gives an entry right now, this is like a B+ trade. It didn't take out Asia low. Gold, on the other hand, oh my goodness, gold looks so good. NQ, come on, take this. Oh my God, we're about to flip so bullish. Bro, come on, NQ. What are we doing? Look at ES, bro. ES is longing. Oh my goodness. NQ, what are we doing? On gold, it took Asia high. It did. Did it tap into our hourly gap like we wanted? It did, but it just missed our hourly gap, bro. I'm a little pressed on it. Missed our hourly gap by 1 tick. Bro, these markets are being very manipulative today. I think our best bet, guys, is NQ. ES is gone. Okay. Now that it's taken it, will it bounce? That's the question. Will you bounce, NQ? Yes or no? If you bounce, I'll long. If you bounce, NQ, I'll long it. If you don't bounce, obviously, then I won't long it. Oh, that's nice. All right, boys. Start getting ready. Yeah, baby. Start getting ready, boys. This is a good long. I'll take it. You're in? I'm waiting 33 seconds to get a candle closure. Are you gonna close? I'm in that. If this stops us out, then I'm risking what, $500 on the day? Yeah. What's ES doing? I think we long though. I really do. I'm gonna go grab some water. Let's see what you want to do, NQ. Where's our 1-to-1? Yeah, it's not a bad setup at all. It's not a bad setup at all. If it loses, it loses. We'll come back tomorrow. It's all right. Yeah, one trade a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. We won yesterday. Yesterday was like a $800 win. If we lose today, it'll be minus 500. Or really like minus 460 something. And we'll come back tomorrow and try and win. Okay, this is looking like a stop out. If it doesn't bounce here, there's a stop out. Let's look at ES. Oh yeah, there's a stop out. It has to bounce here. Let's see what it does. Come on, NQ. We know you want to go higher. We know you want to go higher. You're just playing with us. Why are you playing with my emotions like that, NQ? Yeah, good girl, NQ. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. There we go, baby girl. You see? She just wanted to tease us a little bit. She just wanted to tease us just a little bit. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I trust you. Good girl. Bad girl. Bad girl, NQ. Bad girl. Let me get off the 1 minute. Damn, the 5 minute never really even inversed. Wow, that's so dangerous. Good girl, NQ. I think NQ will fly. There's that 1 hour gap, very dangerous. There's that 1 hour gap, very dangerous. Let's see how it reacts here, guys. I'm in three contracts. I'll sell one at our 1-to-1 just because I think this will go a lot higher. I don't want to sell two. I'll sell one at a 1-to-1. I really think it'll come to London highs, and then I'll sell two here. That's if we get it. This is a session level tap, so be careful. I usually advise to go break even at a session level tap, but we're too close to entry. So I'm willing to just accept this loss if it reverses off that. What's ES doing? ES is struggling. What's above us? There's a lot above us. I think you fly, baby. Fly for me. We still haven't even taken out this high yet. Let's stay patient. Yeah, I can't inverse the 5 minute. It's getting a little dangerous. Remember, guys, the model does say once we tap a session level, you should go break even. I'm choosing to go against it right now. So if we lose, that's totally on me. But I have strong conviction in this trade. Uh, don't break your own rules, Day. No, okay. Good point. Thanks for calling me out. I don't necessarily see it as breaking your own rules. It's like you have a mechanical system that you follow, but then it's the same concept of like, okay, why didn't I take this gold trade, the gold short, even though it won? It's technically my setup and it won. Would that be considered breaking my rules? No. So what I like to say is trading has a lot of discretion and trading has a lot of mechanical things that you include together, right? It's your job to make sure your discretion and your mechanical system align together, right? So when your discretion and your mechanical system don't align, this is when experience and knowledge in the markets come in to tell you when to follow your discretion versus your mechanical system, which is what I preach a lot about. Like, I'm glad I didn't go break even because I would have been stopped out here, but my discretion was letting me know that this was a valid trade to take. You understand what I'm trying to say? Like, so if it loses, I'm perfectly like okay with that. I'm perfectly okay with that. I've managed risk accordingly. Let's see what it gives us. Guys, I'm if you see me leaving the camera in and out, that's because I'm getting ready for the gym and stuff. Smart. Okay, I think I'm gonna go break even now. Hopefully I don't regret this. But we should keep flying. So there's a risk-free trade now. Let's see if it'll give it to us. Come on, come on, NASDAQ. Good girl. Guys, isn't trading so boring? Come on, NASDAQ, don't do it to me. Don't take me out at break even. Somebody said look at gold. Gold's not doing much. Come on, NASDAQ. Are you serious? It should really reject now. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, baby girl. Good girl. Reject for me. I think this is a break-even trade. Oh, man. It was such a good setup. Come on. I know you want to go higher. I know you want to go higher. Keep going. Come on, keep going. Push. Push. Come on, NASDAQ. No. Push, girl. Push. Push, baby girl. Push. My baby. Keep pushing for me, girl. Good girl. Good girl. Can we rip through those highs? No rejection. Can we rip through? Come on, NASDAQ. Let's rip through that. Let's rip through that. Momentum. Push. Push for me, girl. There we go. Good girl. Keep pushing. Come on, keep pushing. I want to see a like Drake candle. This is the time for a Drake candle, NASDAQ. Give it to me. Give it to me, girl. No, I don't like that. Come on, princess. No, no. If this low gets taken, we're going to hit break even. I need this to flip. No, NASDAQ. No, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Guys, it's looking... I don't like this. Yeah. It needs to flip like now. Guys, it's looking like a break-even setup. So you can push through these lows, but you can't push through these highs. Come on now. Come on, NQ. Don't do it. Reject. Guys, okay, this is break even. This is break even. There we go. That's break even. That's break even. Yeah. And the crazy thing is I still think this goes so much higher. I still think this goes so much higher, bro. Utterly ridiculous. Look at it. Who went break even? Your break even missed by 2 ticks. Yeah, it took me out. It's gonna go higher. That's a crazy thing. I could potentially get a re-entry on ES, but ES is such a weaker pair, it's not even funny. The only way for me to take a re-entry is if we come down and take out these lows. Yeah, that's break even for sure. There's a break even trade. That's fine. Yeah, Bulls is sleeping. It might end up flushing. You have to. We are SMT with ES. Look at ES. ES took out London highs and is dumping. So it's dragging NQ down with it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's the low I wanted. It could if it gives us a re-entry, I'll take it. Cause I have neither won or lost today. Oh, gold looks good. This is the deeper retracement I wanted. Gold isn't bad at all. I might end up just calling it a day. Well, let's see. Yeah, Nasdaq is tripping. Yeah, yeah, there is. Guys, I think I'm just gonna call it a day. I don't like how NQ's moving right now. I think it might be wanting to go lower. It was the right call to go break even here at these highs. If I take a trade, it'll probably end up being on gold. Yeah, NQ's tripping. If I take a trade, it'll probably be on gold. This setup's not too bad if we can inverse this 3 minute. It's not bad at all. All right, boys. If I take a second setup, you'll probably see it on my Instagram. but I doubt it. Because let's just wait, I guess. Maybe in like 5, 10 minutes. What time is it? 9:03. I'll probably get off the chart because I am break even on the day, so I can take another setup. Yeah, I suggest you just leave, gang. Look at NQ dumping. Yeah, good call to go break even here. That's the perfect highs to go break even at. I'm out, boys. Yeah, deuces. Thanks for joining the live, and I got a funded account for somebody. Peace.